shit. Now before I bring my brother out, I gotta check the energy of this motherfucker real quick. We got LA in the building. Let's do this shit. If y'all know this shit, sing it. Let's go. What'd he say? What'd he say?
How y'all feeling? Make some motherfucking noise.
It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Like, and I'm better than my first time. No matter if you all had a struggle, then you won't shine. You a player, got some hoes in your phone. I'm gonna show you what to get you sick. It's hell as good as fuck tonight. You should know better in your work. I'ma push all the fans, you gon' stay up on my turf. You should have before his name and touch the water, never surf. You was in the power rankings, but I always. What do you say, DJ? Come on. Can you show a little mercy? I know you told me. I can't bother you, right? I don't fuck with skinny bitches. Got my Londo if you curvy. Get it to your waist, get that money, that's the first thing. You stick around if you deserve it. How to cut you off to be alone, I be working. Said you hope you understand him in that game. You don't want that jersey, but just tell me if you thirsty. What do you say? Come on. What you say? Life's never easy, but sure make it feel like it's a good time.
Come on.
You know you got me if you need me, I'll be there to show you better for the one time. Yeah, then one more time and again. I know it's that I love you, but I hope it's making sense. I know it's that it's over, but I'm trying to keep it fresh. What do you say? City, I can show you, girl, what's up. Up out his head, you 150, show me how you fucking. Anytime I step around your spot, you blow it down, you some I can't find. You do it better than my old hoes, how you keep me safe from all the bad guys.
NapaValleyCollege makes some motherfucking noise for y'all saying.
I'm on your speed, girl, don't rush me.
It's a whole lot of ladies here tonight. What the fuck?
Tears gon' take some time. So just love me a little bit. You love your bitch, I love mine. I'm a good dude, not a good kid. Yeah, he just for some bad ones. Yeah, the bad bitch is just one person. He said, baby, in a better song right here. Yeah, and if you look too good, you get pipe here. Yeah, it's more than the scene. You never see the back and forth, just the pieces of cream. I slid up on her last story, you was stuck in my dream. And if you saw me her moves, I might get you a ring. But I replace you first. I used to be the top to fill my roster up in worse spots. How it is, I keep on one I want, that is your love. Yeah, I'm on her open, I'ma see it.
Say hi to the camera.
You just a whole 100 pressure with some all 50s. I know that you was running the game, but now you don't. I love it when you there, but what's all that? I've been trying to go round after round with you. The fucking thing was getting tired, how it sounded. I want a minute, turn it back and let it sound. Fresh on looking at what you wanna.
One more time, come on.
You know, girl, don't touch me.
Come on, okay.
I'm on your speed, girl, don't rush me.
Y'all gotta switch with me. Come on, what y'all doing? Come on.
I know things gon' take some time.
Yeah.
So just love me a little bit. Yo, bitch, I love mine. I'm a good dude, I'm a little kid. But good girls just some bad ones. Yeah. And bad bitches just my passion. Show some love right here.
Y'all good? How y'all feeling?
You said me being up to love. And if you look too good, you getting right here. And I'ma let him know what it is, baby.
Alright, y'all gotta fuck it up with me. Come on. Hey, go DJ, go DJ, go DJ. Say it, come on, go. Hit me the pop.
Yeah, I know you got somebody, but I promise that he's not like this. Come on, flights paid for, you better call off on. Not my bitch. Yeah, and we look good together. Girl, you ain't no bum, bitch, you a go-getter. If you ask me what I leave, but I'm saying no, never.
I'm confused. Hey, DJ, what's your name?
See your ass around. Oh, y'all better relax.
Coming outside with
Come on, girl, put it on you think they ain't no fun.
Ain't no fun. Come
You're
on.
stuck in the city, let me take you to a spot where we both know no one. And when I get you in position, just don't run. You don't ever have to worry about our low funds. Let me know some. What you really singing when what you really Dad from Atlanta, mama from LA. You can tell by your grammar, I'ma slide in a Beamer, but you wanna ride a Phantom. Sometimes I be thinking you be more than I can handle. Coming forward with a kid, I reside in the river, and I might take you around the world, come and see the way I live. In control with my lips, I'm grabbing on your hips, and if you was a drug, would've got it never quit. Go 369, damn, shorty fine. Hoping she gon' throw it on me one more time. Yeah, keep a ruler if you stepping out of line. And baby, have your fun if you drinking, I'ma drive. I ain't tryna have no kids, but until I'm 29, she ain't never get it back. Get it home, get it mine. I'm trying to run it back. Ask DJ, I'm about to fuck this shit up.
What you say?
I said I believe in God.
Go Leo, go Leo, go Leo, go Leo, go Leo, go
sometimes you'll be feeling terrified.
Go, 1, 2,
What do you say? Yeah, from Atlanta, mama from LA. I can tell by your garment, I'ma slide in the beamer, but you wanna ride a phantom. Sometimes I be thinking you be more than I can handle. Coming forward with a kid, reside in the red. I'ma take you around the world, come and see the way I live. Take control with my lips, I'm grabbing on your hips. And if you was a judge, swear to God I never quit.
I wanna spend some time with him. He got a little vibe to him, but we gon' get faded and speak about the shit that we hated. But we gon' pull up a few benefits by ourselves, even if it's just us two, and do some things that we ain't think through. I could tell by the look in his eyes, this ain't nothing new. I lay back, he told me relaxing. I said that I like the romancing. This boyfriend, then he got his own ways. For the first time, he got me wanting to stay. Pockets, I'm ready to dip. You got me by the hips, I get a kiss on the lips. I can't lie, got one thing on my mind. I'ma try this on the next guy. I wanna spend some time with her. She got a little vibe to her, but we gon' get faded and speak about the shit that we hated. But we gon' pull up a few benefits by ourselves, even if it's just us two, and do some things that we ain't think through. I can tell by the look in his eyes, this ain't nothing new.
Tryna be my baby. You ain't an ordinary lady. You walked in 5 minutes ago. Sleeves had it real bad in front of back. It ain't no family though. I say yo. Yeah, like shorties, I got confidence. I'm fucking that bitch crazy. Pull her hair and I ain't stopping it. Yeah, we always fighting, but I love it when you popping it. Pico, jumping you with some zero. I ain't gonna hold, but they keep paying me attention. I swear it's like a lethal weapon. Yeah, I got hoes, but you the best if I ain't messing. I grab the neck and choke it back, it's so impressive. Yeah. You say you tryna play, little mama say that. You'll never make me jealous cause you're fucking with a J-Cat. I know I fucked around, but it don't matter cause you came. What you say one time? You're lonely,
I wanna spend some time with him. He got a little vibe to him, but we gon' get faded and speak about the shit that we hated. We gon' pull up a few benefit by ourselves, even if it's just us two, and do some things that we ain't been through. I can tell by the look in his eyes, this ain't nothing new.
Thanks so much for saying JGP one more time.
Thank you so much, NVC.
Y'all got love for St. JP, make some motherfucking noise for it real quick. I'm stepping out of the zone, nothing but pressure. How you so we in a function and turning up every time. They taking pictures and everyone I be shining. Say to the camera one more time. Yeah, I can step down. Was on a brakes, but I'm stepping on that next time. I see them like a transaction, you get checked out. The boy's not about no watch, you get decked out. Speaking all these crazy, now your shorty stay in my house. Staying in my crib and she love me here. Tell me that she still at your spot and it don't put it there. I fall like a pastry, but I'm showing like a cavalier. Said I wanna spot, but now we saying like a chef. Yeah, I'm really for really. When I pull up on the daily, if I said I gotta tell it, if I look at me silly, you pulling up or you not, you saying it when it's time. I let him know for the record that you the one I've been choosing, little baby. Ex mad on me, sorry, little buddy. It's time I'm taking my turn, and I should say she love me. She on my side with his buddy. One more time, what he said, that's a how y'all put 2, 3. I'm doing me, I've been getting my shit together. I'm stepping out and I'm showing nothing but pressure. Lil' mama see they gon' tell me if she ain't ready. So what's the move? So what the vibe is? We in a function and turning up every climate. They taking pictures and everyone I be shining. They know it's me when I pull up and I'm around. Hey, wait, who the fuck is
Oh shit, hold on, my bad.
Why you connected to the Bluetooth?
My bad, bro, I didn't mean to.
Alright, just connect real quick.
Oh shit.
The finest that I ever seen, you know you put me in a hole, better settle down. Tell me if you can't take it, gotta press the brakes down.
What he say?
Baby, you ain't gotta worry about me.
Okay.
Cause I ain't doing any spot of yo. Back then we was guaranteed. We can do everything you wanna do. So let me know when it's super real. You're everything that I like. We go through things every night. Talking about slow man, treat alright.
1, 2, 1.
Tell me what he gon' do for you.
What he said?
I'm not perfect, but I work on hit it back, but I spend it on you. I was on a shorty, I wanna see me, then we get into it, but it's all night. What we doing? That piece of New York, you a kid. Girl, baby, your soul color so tired. She's so deep, my feelings ain't it. Baby, you ain't gotta worry about me. Cause I ain't doing this for the yo. Back then we was guaranteed. We can do everything you wanna do. So let me know when it's up for real. You're everything that I like. We We go through things every night. Talking about so man, he alright. He got nothing. Tell me what he gon' do for you. I'm not perfect, but I work hard to get it back, but I stand on you. I deserve it, shawty, I wanna tell me that we get into it, but it's all lies. We make peace and we argue again. Girl, I'm taking your soul, kinda so tired. She's so decent, my feelings ain't it? Yeah. Tell me that it's my baby.
And what?
Tell me that it's all for me.
Okay.
Call me now, my mind crazy. And you've been saying that you lonely. And I've been through about 100 times, but you gotta promise you're the only one. Yeah, I'm a player, but you more than fine. Tell me, let me see it, and we're having some fun. What do you think? I was right here, said that you a dancer, and I like what you from Oakland. Yes, on that fuck, I guess you pretty, you got motion. Frosty full of tans, but I swear that you the chosen. I said it on your lips, but I'm trying to see you proud of me, baby. I'm trying to do it all again and again and again. But it matter when I'm fucking rapping song for the day. I got you looking at my mirror with my shades on your skin. You too dangerous for me, you got that arm. When I see you, know I get attached. You always taking all my clothes and I can't get them back. And if he popping out in public, it's just getting mad. Even that shit clear, sitting like I'm not gonna finish last. I'm super confident, my mama feeling radiation. Really too confident, them bitches know the separation. I'm shorty prominent, they know the shit.
NapaValleyCollege, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 2.
I spoke with bad shorties, baby, on patient. And I got bad shorties, baby, on flavors. You never had none, baby, don't savor. I swear to God, I never put you in no danger. I hold the wheel while you're gripping on my tape. What you do? You know I'm ball like Indiana Pacers. We ain't gotta do it right now, see you later. Knowing you and me always gonna be safer. I get a favor, she want me in a taper. She wanna put her name on it, get a razor. Cause I got a scope and my cousin got a laser. I cannot be a boyfriend, my mama, I'm a player. It's on the tell her on my side of who a faker. I keep it small, 9-5 for this paper. Stepping in some Air Force One, seeing blazers. Keeping me in check, you're my little regulator. Hey, we downtown with the windows down. Tell me what you wanna say. Yeah, I know I do a lot of things wrong, but after you, I might change. I fuck with bad shorties, baby, you're major.
Yeah.
I got bad shorties, baby, you're flavor.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You never had none, baby, don't save her. You know I ball like Indiana Pacers. We ain't gotta do it right now, see you later. Knowing you and me always gonna be safer. She look like a model. She look better than her friends on her worst day. That fly shit, you know you got it. And you gon' get more than candles on your birthday. You not my bitch, but she bad like it. Your body slim as ever, let my hands try it. Girl, time is coming, can you stand by her? She look like a model.
Oh my God.
She look better than her friends on her worst day.
Yes, sir.
Fly shit, you know you got it. And you not my bitch, but you bad like it. Your body slim as ever, let my hands try it. Girl, your time is coming, can you stand by it? Whoa, watch me tell your good girls. Tell me about your fantasies.
What you doing?
I want you to fuck me while you mad at me. Let me pick your brain like a daddy. So many bitches at my shows, but they ain't having me. I just you have to leave. Just be my girlfriend. Oh yeah, I got you wet from all them things when. Oh yeah, comfortable and show me them things that you do. Yeah, push you first class, ladies, sandwich, burn fast. I want it all from you, babe. I can't be missing out.
What you say?
You the type I like that I be bragging about. You was begging for it when I ain't it. You can have it now. She was trying to take control of me, but now she's tapping out. She told me she from Baton Rouge, but banned from the West. Like, oh, it's just the best that they can get, and I'm like, oh, girl, you ain't seen her from me yet, and I'ma crush you down.
Everything. Come on, one more time. 2, 3, let's go. What else?
She look better than her friends on her worst day. The fly shit, you know you got it, and you gon' get more than candles on your birthday.
If
being a bad bitch was a crime, if you like that. And I was nervous when I seen you, I was shaking when I walked up to you. Oh, I still did it, now you got me saying goddamn. If you ain't perfect, then you're close to it. And I ain't trying to get you naked off the whip, but if you wanna, ain't opposed to it. It's your life, go and have fun. But if you wanna be a right hand, geeked up, would you tell him that's my man? So I'm your man. Got some pennies on my nightstand. So that's what I wanna be a man's at right there.
When he said, from the top down, screaming,
That's my baby. You call me when you with your friends, like you saying he's my favorite. Yeah, the one you should know by now. Know you find my homies trying to get at you. But they don't freak it like the way I do, you know I'm at you. Pretty face and a 5'2" with some tattoos. I had some bitches before you came, but girl, I had you. It's looking like I found my soulmate. I'm cool with these other bitches like Colgate. The way you tell me listen to it make my soul shake. You like my touch, nah, I never got no space. What you say? You ask me how I love it, I say real bad. You fuck with no protection, let me feel that. You told me you got shaman, let me heal that. You got your words open, I'ma feel bad for you. We at the party still, you know I got you. I don't stop you doing things that you want to. I took them girls out my life cause I just want you. When you put your on me, then
Everything, one more time, what we saying?
Bad bitch was a crime, even locked up. And I was nervous when I seen you, I was shaking when I walked up to you. I still did it, now you got me saying goddamn. If you ain't perfect, then you close to it. And I ain't tryna get you naked off the rip, but if you wanna, I ain't opposed to it.
One more time, what do you say?
But if you wanna be on my hand, kicked up when you tell him that's my man. I got some pennies on my nightstand. Said if I wanna be your man's act right then. And from the top down screaming that's my baby. You call me when you with your friends, now you saying he's my favorite. Yeah, I'm the one you used to know by now. Yeah, yeah. One more time, what do you say? If being a bad bitch was a crime, you'd be locked up. Come on. And I was nervous when I seen you. I was shaking when I walked up to you. Ooh. I still did it. Now you got me saying, goddamn. If you ain't perfect, then you're close to it. And I ain't trying to get you naked off the rip, but if you wanna, ain't opposed to it. It's your life, go and have fun. But if you wanna be your right hand, geeked up when you tell him that's my man. I don't know.
Seen that shit?
Here's some panties on my nightstand. Said if I wanna be your man's act. And from the top down screaming, that's my baby. Yeah, you call me when you with your friends, now you saying he's my favorite. Yeah, I'm the one you should know by now. NapaValleyCollege makes some motherfucking Three, come on. Hey, hold on, you know you pressure, let me get up on your side. You was lay low, shorty, I'ma tell you if it's time. I'ma have to squabble up if you stepping out of line. Go ahead and get to tripping, I ain't playing about mine. Told me that you from the Bay, but I stay in Riverside. I'm a fly ass young and I don't need a 9 to 5. We do it all, but we staying low key. You ain't never lonely, find out about me. Wait, if you slipping, then I'm sliding. You feel the difference, so you gripping on the thighs. Cause you know everybody else fine for my time. You dream timing, but I still fake. What do you say? Hold on, you know you pressure, let me get up on your side. You was laying low, shorty, I'ma tell you if it's time. I'ma have to squabble up if you stepping out of line. Go ahead and get to tripping, I ain't playing about mine. Told me that you from the Bay, but I stay in Riverside. I'm a fly ass young and I don't need it. Tell me that it's my baby, and tell me that it's all for me. And I've been out my mind crazy, and you've been saying that you lonely. Yes, and I've been through about 100 times with you, but I promise you the only one. Yeah, I'm a player, but you wanna find something, let me see it, and we having some fun. We getting crazy. Actually, nah. I wanna play Candles one more time. Can we play Candles one more time?
NVC, what we saying?
She look like a model.
Okay.
She look better than her friends on her worst day. That 5, 6, you know you got it. And you gon' get more than candles on your birthday. You got my bitch, but you ride like it. Your body slim as ever, let my hands try it. Girl, your time is coming, can you stand by it? Whoa, whoa, watch me turn your good girl. So, what do you say? Tell me about your fantasies. I want you to fuck me while you mad at me. Let me pick your brain like a daddy. Many bitches at my house, but they ain't having me. I choose you as a man, you just be my girlfriend. Oh yeah, I got you up from all them things when oh yeah, comfortable and show me them things that you do, yeah. Push you first class, like these candles burn fast. I want it all, anyway, I can't be missing out.
What you say?
You the type I like that I be bragging about. You was begging for it, wanted it, you can have it now. She was trying to take control of me, but now she's having out. She tell me she from Paris, but I'm from the West. And she like, oh, is this the best that it can get? And I'm like, oh, girl, you ain't seen enough from me yet. And I'm like,
one more time. 8 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2.
she look like a model. She look better than her friends on her worst day. The 5, 6, you know you got it. And you gon' get more than candles on your birthday. You're not my bitch, but you ride like it. Your body slim as ever, let my hands try it. Girl, your time is coming, can you stand by it? Whoa, watch me turn your good girl too. Alright, see you one more before I get up out of here. Being a bad bitch, it's a ride if you like that. Yeah, and I ain't never shaking when I walked up to you. Ooh, yeah, I still did it, now you got me saying goddamn. If you ain't perfect, then you close to it. And I ain't tryna get you naked off the rip, but if you wanna, I ain't opposed to it. It's your life, go and have fun. But if you wanna be your right hand, geeked up when you tell him that's my man. I got your pennies on my nightstand. Said if I wanna be your man, that right there. baby. From the top down, screaming that's my baby. You call me when you're with your friends, like saying he's my favorite. Yeah, I'm the one, but you should know by now. I'll be fine with my homies trying to get at you, but they don't freak it like the way I do, you know I'm at you. Pretty face, standing 5'2" with some tattoos. I had some bitches when you came, but girl, I had you. It's looking like I found my soulmate. I'm cool off these other bitches like Colgate. The way you tell me to listen to it make my soul shake. You like my touch, now I never got no space. I speak a little bit, I say real bad. We fuck with no protection, let me feel it. You tell me you got something, let me heal it. You got your walls up and I'm building for you. At the bottom, so you know I got you. And I don't stop you doing things that you want to. I took them drills on my life cause I just want to. When you put your on me, they can't tell you. If being a bad bitch was a crime, if you locked up. And I was nervous when I seen you, I was shaking when I walked up to you. I still lit it, now you got me saying goddamn. You ain't perfect, then you close to it. And I ain't tryna get you naked off the rip, but if you wanna, ain't opposed to it. It's your life, girl, have fun. But if you wanna be all right here, kicked up when you tell them that's my man. I got some pennies on my nightstand, and if I wanna be your man, act right then. And from the top down, screaming that's my baby. Yeah, you call me when you with your friends, let me say it's my favorite. Yeah, the one you should know by now.
NapaValleyCollege, I love y'all so much, man. Thanks for coming. Hey, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take pictures of all y'all. Just give me a second, bro. I love y'all.